Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mug design and the mockup using Canva. First you need to go to the canva.com. I will publish this mug mockup as a Facebook post. If you prefer to publish this mug mockup in Instagram or TikTok, you need to have a correct size to do the design. I'm going to type here Facebook post and press enter. Select create blank. Now in the left hand corner, click here apps. In the search bar, type mockup. Select the mockups. Now scroll down. Here is the mug mockup. Click here select all. I'm going to select this mug. Now, two ways you can add the design to your mug mockup. One method is design what you create previously you can upload to Canva. For that you have to click here upload button and upload it. But I'm gonna make second method, that means create a brand new design. For that I'm using elements. In the search bar I'm typing flowers. Under the graphic, select all. Now select the best flower design which you like. I prefer simple design. I'm just click this. Now just drag and drop here. You can see the design is loading. Now I change the background color to black color. I would like to add some flowers around. You can add different elements and make nice mockup. If you want to add price or sales tags, just type here discount tags. For example, I just click here to 10% off. Now we already create our mockup. Click here the share button and click the download. You can download PNG or JPG. I'm using a JPG. Here's our mug mockup. But if you want to add this mug design to different print on demand sites, what you need to do is you have to upload only the designs. For that, click add new, go to the element. This is the design what we use, and go ahead here resize and magic stitch. Scroll down and select custom size. From the custom size you need to resize according to your print on demand site which accept. In this design you need to download in a PNG format. It should look like this. This design you can upload to your print on demand service provider sites, and then they will print out your mug based on your request. Now you know how to design a mug using your Canva. This is one method. There are many other methods as well. Next video I'm going to show you how to promote this mug mockup using different social media platforms. You can subscribe our channel, click the bell icon as well. Thumbs up if the video is good for you. If you have a doubt, comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you next video.